I love the question of what keeps you up at night, because my answer is always different than most CTOs. Most CTOs will go to servers being down, or will go to the telephones going down, or to some other systems being down. The only thing that keeps me up at night is time. Time to do interesting and innovative products, the time to find more people to do the things that we want to do. I'm always worried when I wake up in the morning that we just don't have enough time to do all the amazing things that we want to do every day. And to me, the biggest change is not with technology themselves or my technology team, but my colleagues. The amount of tech savvy that my colleagues have, which makes really the business of technology the business of our entire business. So we innovate together. I spend more time with my CMO and my CFO as I do with my director of BI or my VP of engineering or my project management office. The collaboration between myself and the CMO is probably the strongest team we have. So I spend almost, I would say, half of my time working with our CMO. She runs an amazing organization, and everything that she thinks up, we deliver. If you could be called not Chief Technology Officer, but Chief something else officer, I was going to answer Chief Everything Officer from my standpoint, or Chief Get the hell out of my office from everybody else's standpoint. It seems that we're just in everybody's business now, whether it be data analytics to help sales drive their targets. So we do deep dives into our data warehouse to find nuggets of gold that maybe we weren't thinking about before. So we work heavily with sales. Same thing with customer service. We'll go through all of the logs from our cloud-based customer service engine to try to find areas where we can improve customer service and therefore also improve the product. Just about every decision that's made is made off of our data, and about every question that's asked is answered with our data. So that puts me firmly in just about every office at the C-level. We used to go from solving problems or creating efficiency throughout the organization to where now we're innovating from within. It's entrepreneurship from within. And we really believe that technology and entrepreneurship from within our team, working with product, working with biz dev, working with sales, and the rest of the C-suite really drives innovation and growth. And we're seeing it in the top line and the bottom line. If you're going to succeed in this world, whether you are a CTO or you just graduated college with a CS degree, you must either have business knowledge or want to gain the experience and put yourself in those meetings. At our company, at every product meeting, even the very first, we put engineers in the room because we want them to know what the goals are and we want them to understand it. So when they become the gatekeeper, what's going to get done today, they know what the goal is, what the need is to get this done, and they're on board, they're part of it. We're a medium-sized organization. We've got about 80 people in the technology division. But every time we do something, we create what we call a startup, right? So they literally get up, they move. Engineers sit with designers, they sit with project managers, they sit with product managers, they sit with QA, and they sit with design. And they sit somewhere different. And we treat them like a startup. So this idea of creating culture around mini startups within the company really gets the engineers and all of technology really to think as a revenue center. The ideas throughout the entire company come from technology in partnership with sales and marketing and product and finance. And listen, if we can do it, anybody can do it. And I would like to keep repeatedly doing it over and over again.